Hello and welcome. I am DK and you are watching my channel Crystal Forex. Today I am going to review of the best broker. The name is IQ Option. IQ Option is a financial service provider based from Cyprus. IQ Option is regulated by the Cyprus Security Exchange Commission, authorized to provide financial service to clients from the European Economic Area. CIF license number is 247/14. IQ Option is a member of Investors Compensation Scheme. Under this scheme, each of the IQ Option's clients' fund is protected. So don't worry about your fund. IQ Option is award-winning broker. Yes, my friend. IQ Option is an award-winning broker. 14 awards till date. List of awards. 2017 Awards of Excellence by the Academy of Interactive and Visual Arts. The Intelligent Trading App for Binary Option by Mobile Star Awards. Centurion International Quality Globe ERA Award, Business Initiative Direction Group. Best Technology Applications by the Web Marketing Association. Best Binary Option Broker Europe 2015 Global Banking and Financial Review. The Most Innovative Binary Option Platform by IFM Awards 2015. Best Mobile Trading Platform from IFM Awards 2015. Fastest Growing Binary Option Brand by Global Brand Magazine. Best Trading Platform by Forex Award 2014. Awards leading Binary Option Broker by Master Forex. Most Reliable Binary Option Broker by Master Forex. Most Innovative Binary Options Broker by FX World. Best Binary Option Broker FX Report Awards. Last, Best Binary Option Broker Trading Application by IAIR Awards. Assets you can trade in the IQ Option: Forex, CFD stocks, option trading, commodities, index, cryptocurrency, and ETFs. Trading platforms. Yes, IQ Option has own trading platform. You can run in the Windows app, Android app, iOS app, web platform. With this broker, there is some country they are not acceptable. Take a look. United States, Japan, Israel, Turkey, Belgium, Russian Federation, Australia, Canada, Germany, Italy, Netherlands, Romania, Spain. But other than all of you can start trading. Minimum deposit only $10. Minimum trade size only $1. Deposit and withdrawal options. There is n numbers of options. You can deposit or withdraw through AdvCash USD, Netalr, Perfect Money, as well as you can withdraw and deposit by your credit card, debit card, Skrill, AstroPay card, Web Money, QE and Web Money WME. You will get 24/7 support and final. My rating for IQ option is 5 star. So take a look of some interface of the IQ option trading platform. So guys, this is the IQ option trading platform interface, and this is different pairs: GPB, USD, NZ, New Zealand USD, Euro and USD, and you can add from another pair from this menu. And this option is your order is active or pending. You can check here, and this is your trading history. You can check your trading history over here, and this is the chat and support option. You can contact 24/7, and you can clear your query from support center. This is the leaderboard who can earn more than 2 lakh, 250 lakh, 185 lakh dollars. This is the market analysis, and here you can check the market news, fundamental news, market analysis, what experts say about the pair, about the future of the currency pair. You can check over here, and this is the main thing. It's a tutorial of the video for how to trade, how to do technical analysis, how to do fundamental analysis, and many things over here. So this is all video about the trading platform. And then we can see this is a line chart, and you can choose the different chart over here, like candlestick chart, bar chart, Heikenhashi chart, so Heikenhashi candle, bar candle, candlestick, candle chart, line chart. So you can choose the different, and here you can check the seconds of particular bar. It's particular for the candle bar, like this is the 30-second of candle, 1 minute candle, right? So, and this is some graphic technical analysis tools given over here, and this is the list of indicator you can use from the on this platform. So choose and here this is the time frame, what time you have to take for the trade. It's a 19 minute, 34 minute, 49 minutes. It's a different time frame over here, and this is the amount what you want to trade, and this is the higher and lower, buy side and sell side. If you wish, if you feel that the markets go up in the 15 minutes, then you can check 15 to 20 minutes bar, raise this higher side. So, and this is a practice account, and over here you can start and deposit your real money and you can start earning money. So thank you very much. Other than I have given the link of this website in my description. So if you want to join IQ option, please click on that and join yourself and start earning. Thank you. Here you can learn more than this. So keep subscribing, keep watching and keep sharing. See you soon in next video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and remember, click the bell icon so that you can get my video first.